right? That's the way the frame looks. And just quickly doing this one section, the difference is actually awesome. We bought an Amazon special. Boom. This is a sandblaster. Yeah, that's right. It's a friggin' sandblaster. So we're gonna see if we can make this thing work with that thing and see if we can discover a whole bunch more ugly in that girl. So I don't know, how's this gonna connect? Okay, let me get my stuff all set up. I've got a bag of sand in the garage, so let me get things connected, get the water, blah blah blah, and then we're gonna see how this thing actually works. Try it. Okay, after a quick review, see if I can make heads or tails of this really big $40 investment we put out. So one end of the hose, let's get a clamp. Looks like it goes, according to here, down there. Come on, get you a little further on. There we go. All right. You know, I look for these. I see the guys, people use these all the time. And I look for them. And they're never available in our hardware stores. Never see them. And they're fantastic with the little clamp on them. I love it. Okay, and then the other end looks like it connects on that short side. So, try that. I'm kind of excited to see how this thing works. I mean, it could be a total disaster. I don't know. All right. Okay, let me get what are those nozzles? Replacement nozzles. Oh, cool. All right, let me get the water ran and get this all connected. All right, donning my very attractive safety gear. I didn't fill the pail, I just want to try it for now. But I got a pail with sand, a hose in it. I'm gonna throw a thing over it just because I don't want it to get wet. Got it connected to my really long nozzle. So now I'm gonna turn on some water, see if this girl fires up reasonably well, and then we're gonna give this a shot. So here goes nothing. Well, I mean, I'm pressure washing really well, but I'm not getting a really good sand. And I'm wondering if I need to elevate. Like, I don't know if the vacuum coming through is enough. I think I need to elevate the bucket to try to get a better flow of sand. So let me figure something out to stand that up. Excuse me. and then we'll keep going. All right, who knows, eh? Find something out in your weeds, pull it out. I put some more sand in it. Oh. All right. Let's try that. Okay. I don't know if this is a good idea. I think this is gonna make you wobble, but we'll try it. Well, we figured out how to get her flowing, and it does all right. I think I need a better system, maybe a funnel or something to keep the sand moving. But let's take a peek. I mean, it stripped it down to metal, right? I wouldn't qualify this as truly sandblasting, although I'm definitely not an expert on it. I have dabbled in it, and a proper sandblasting kit with a compressor will be more efficient by all means. But as far as an aggressive abrasive power washing, probably more what I would call it. I mean, real abrasive, but it definitely cleans it up, that's for sure. So I'm gonna do a little more and show you what I come up with. Okay, sorry for the noise, just wanted to show you quick, right? That's the way the frame looks. And just quickly doing this one section, the difference is actually awesome. That is fantastic. I like that. I like that a whole lot. I'm gonna keep going in here. I just showed you how much of an improvement it's doing there compared to the front. And right after I did that, I plugged up my hose. Like, that's the pile of sand that I had to rinse out of it. I must have got some moisture in. It plugged it up. So for now, I have to take a break, let it dry off. But yeah, I'm definitely not thinking that it's a true sandblasting, you know, unit, but I will say that it's a pretty abrasive power washing, which on its own kind of holds a good amount of value, right? It's going to do, it really is going to accomplish basically what I'm setting out to do. So I'm not sure if this is the end of the video. I might bring you back tomorrow when I dry it up and I try again. So for now, thanks. See you tomorrow. So it's the next morning, and I mean, now you're gonna see all the raw metal turned surface rusty, right? Because I mean, we were using water, but in general, I mean, it did what it's supposed to do. Controlling the flow, getting the sand to move well through the line is not easy. It's not consistent. But as far as a cheap $40 Amazon thing, it did exactly what I really truly needed it to do. It did it so well, it actually exposed a problem. Let's see. Oh, look at, see the frame here? Look how nice that, see, cleaned up good. And I knew about this, but look. All right, I'm two-handed. I got a big hole in my frame right there and right there. So, as far as an Amazon purchase, perfect, worth its money, no problem. Trying to think how I'm gonna do this now. I think I'm gonna say thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys watching. My next step on this old girl is going to be to, once this dries up, protect it with something, some spray, and we're gonna tear apart this front end and see if we can save that frame. So you guys have a great day.